Beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the kitchen decor. And in this video today I will be telling about the kitchen decor, and I will be sharing 10 good idea how to choose the perfect modern kitchen concept. So the first point is consider your kitchen style. Choose a concept material that complement the overall style of your modern kitchen option, like corrugated grants or concrete or popular choice for a modern aesthetic. So the next point, determine your budget. Set a budget for your concept project to narrow down your option. Keep in mind that different materials have varying price range, so choose one that fit within your budget. So the next point, assess durability and maintenance. Consider that durability and maintenance requirement of different concepts. Material opt for materials that are resistant to stains, scratches, and that and require minimal upkeep. So the next point, evaluate fairness. Look for concept material that offer a silk and contemporary look. Consider colors, patterns, and finishes that enhance the modern aesthetic of your kitchen. So the next point, consider functionality. Think about your cooking and lifestyle needs when choosing a concept material. Consider factors like food preparation, cleanliness, and the use of hot pots and pans. So the next point, research material options. Research different concepts material like cords, grants, solid surface, or concrete to understand their contracted force and cans. This will help you make an informed discussion. So the next point, visit showroom and simple materials. Visit showroom or home important stories to see and touch different concepts material. Take home samples to evaluate who they look in your kitchen, lighting, and against other elements. So the next point, seek for professional advice. Consult with contract facilities or interior designers how can provide guidance based on your specific need and preference. They can offer insights and help you make the right choice. So the next point, consider sustainability. If eco-friendly and you and is important to your explore concepts material made from recycled or sustainable materials, such as recycled glass or bamboo. So the next and the last point is personal preference and lifestyle. Ultimately, choose a concept material that aligns with your personal style and suits your lifestyle. Consider factors like color, texture, and easy of maintenance to accessories. It fits your day-to-day need. So hope you like the video. Subscribe my YouTube channel. I see you next.